So what's up guys, in this is CG Visa, and today we're gonna have a new video because we're gonna review Philippine Air Force Gulfstream G280. So this is my model now. I made it few minutes ago. I finished it. I started today at 4 p.m. until 7 p.m. today. I made this aircraft. It's better. I like it. I like also it's better. See, it's like a real model plane. So you can see here the windows. The windows, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 windows and 10 windows. Total of 20, including the cockpit windows. Okay, so the color of the aircraft is blue. It's blue, and the registry number is 1251. I repeat, 1251. It's like a Gulfstream G550, but it's different. It's a Gulfstream G280 plane. Okay, so it's nice. This is for presidential plane, and also goods with package. We'll receive some package, cargo, may carrying also cargos, and carry the president where he goes. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you and stay safe. Bye bye.